This class is brought to you by the LA Care and Blue Shield Promise Community Resource Centers. The centers are a place to help you be active, healthy, and informed. We hope you enjoy this virtual class.
Hi kids, thank you for joining me for this week's cooking class. My name is Sonia Guzman, and today we are going to be learning about protein. Protein not only helps you have energy, but protein also helps you build strong muscles, and it also helps you have strong hair and nails. Also helps us for a lot of other things, but those are the ones that we want to focus on today. So let me ask you a few questions. Do you enjoy riding your bike? Or riding a skateboard? Playing with your dog? Or doing cartwheels? So what did you think of that cartwheel? Pretty neat, right? So that was Natalia showing us her skills. So now we are here at Natalia's house. Let's go talk to her to continue learning about protein and to see what she's gonna cook for us today. Natalia, can you tell me which foods are good sources of protein?
Beans, eggs, meat, and milk.
Beans, eggs, meat, and milk. Okay, very good. Can you think of any other sources of protein?
Nuts
Or
and seeds.
nuts and seeds too. Okay, good. So definitely those are also good sources of protein, especially for people that maybe don't like to eat things like meat or drink milk. Nuts and seeds would be a good source. So the milk products, what kind of milk products can you think of that are yummy that you like?
Yogurt and cheese.
You like yogurt and cheese? Okay. What about ice cream?
No.
No, you don't like ice cream? You like ice cream, but maybe it's not a really good source of protein? Okay, because why?
The sugar.
The sugar are very good. And what other foods would you think are not good sources of protein?
Bacon.
Okay, things like bacon, maybe even ham? Okay, why not?
Sodium.
Sodium or salt. That would definitely make it a not a very good option. So there are actually other sources of protein as well that maybe you enjoy. Things like tofu. Do you like tofu? Okay. What about vegetables? Do you know of any vegetables that are good sources of protein?
Brussels sprouts, artichokes, and asparagus.
Ah, look at you. Brussels sprouts, artichokes, and asparagus. And of the three, which one do you like?
None.
None? Okay, well, hopefully you'll get to try them out one day, and you'll see that they are actually very good. Now, I know you're going to teach us how to cook today, right? Okay, so you're going to make us some food that is filled with protein?
Yeah.
All right, what are you going to teach us how to make?
Chicken and noodles.
Chicken and noodles, okay. Well, we can't wait to see what you got in store for us. So join us in our next segment where Natalia is going to teach us how to make her chicken and noodles. And so with that, we have reached the end of today's presentation. I hope you get to try out these recipes and enjoy them at home. And remember, make sure to get your protein every day to keep you full of energy, to keep your hair and skin healthy, and to help you build muscles. Thank you so much for joining us. We look forward to seeing you virtually again next week and at one of our resource centers as soon as we can. Until then, stay active, healthy, and informed.